Mortgage rates are lower to start the year, buyer activity is picking up, and homes that didn't sell at the end of last year are suddenly going into escrow. So, what's actually happening in the La Crescenta housing market? I'm James Yu with Think Real Estate, and whether you're a homeowner, a buyer, or just watching the market, here's what you need to know. Let's start with prices. The average home price in January came in at 1.4 million, up about 13% from last year. Now, before that number raises eyebrows, here's the important context. This jump is mainly driven by more larger homes selling, not because every home suddenly became 13% more overnight. In fact, price per square foot is down about 7% compared to last January, sitting around $773 a square foot. What that tells us is this: prices are firm, but buyers are still careful. They're paying for value, and homes still need to make sense. And if you're a homeowner in La Crescenta and wondering what your home might be worth today, go to the link below for a free instant home valuation. Now, what's more interesting is what's happening on the ground, because this is where I'm seeing a real shift. Several homes that linger at the end of last year have gone under contract. I've also seen homes that were taken off the market last year relist and then go into escrow quickly. Open houses are busier, multiple offers are showing up more often. Buyer behavior has clearly shifted from let's wait and see to let's move, but only if it makes sense to start the year. A big reason for this shift: mortgage rates and seasonality. Rates are about a full point lower than where they started last year, and that's enough to bring buyers back off the sidelines. And if rates further, this market could heat up very fast. Compared to the general LA market, the inventory in La Crescenta is much tighter. We had just 34 active listings in January, with only 13 new homes coming on the market. That's still below what we'd expect for a normal market like 2019 and 2018. We're sitting at roughly 3 months of supply, which is considered balanced, but still slightly favors sellers. Homes that are well priced, well prepped, and in great location are getting all the attention right now. If you're thinking about selling, inventory in the market is working in your favor, but this is not a red hot market. As I said, homes that are priced right, presented well, and marketed properly are the ones getting the action. Spring is typically the best time to list, so if you're planning to make a move this year, now is the time to sit down with your realtor and plan your strategy. If you're buying, expect more competition and multiple offers as we move into spring market. You'll likely see more options come on the market, but more buyers will be jumping in too. This isn't a frenzy market, but it's not slow anymore either. When the right home checks the boxes, be ready to act, because those homes will move quickly, and once they're gone, they're going to be gone. With that said, if you want to stay ahead of these shifts, make sure to follow and subscribe for my monthly market updates. And if you're a La Crescenta homeowner curious what your home might be worth today, go to the link below for a free instant home valuation. And as always, thanks for watching. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, or just want to talk strategy, let's connect. I'm always happy to chat.